Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong love reading for January 2024. This is a general reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages, and thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay, and pa-follow like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mr. Queen PH, and please check out my Shopee, available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Ayan, so let's see Virgo, ano yung energies ng inyong love life ngayong January. Okay, you have the Six of Pentacles. Balance. Oo. Three of Cups. Some of you are enjoying your friends, going out, no? Kahit na meron kang relationship, you still have, meron ka pa ring oras at panahon sa mga kaibigan mo para magsaya, mag-enjoy. Ayan. You have the Page of Pentacles and the Seven of Swords. Ooh. Meron ditong possible na meron kang matutuklasan. If you are in a relationship right now, meron kang matutuklasan about your partner, about the person that you're dealing with sa pamamagitan ng isang kaibigan. Maaring merong pwedeng magkaroon ng problema sa honesty. Oo. Trust issues pwede rin. What is the Seven of Swords? Yung iba naman, pwedeng related to sa kaibigan. You might experience betrayal sa isang kaibigan or someone that is close to you. You have the Wheel of Fortune. I see someone na manggo-ghost. Ewan ko kung ikaw yung manggo-ghost or yung kaibigan mo or the person that you're dealing with. Maybe because meron kang nahuli sa kanya na hindi akma sa mga sinasabi niya. And nung nahuli mo siya, bigla na lang siyang nawala. Oo, kasi napahiya na siya. Ewan ko ba't ganon. But be careful sa mga taong pagkakatiwalaan mo ng mga secrets mo, ha? Kasi baka, meron dito na mag-create ng gossip about you. And, of course, you will feel betrayed by someone. Kasi lalo na pinagkatiwalaan mo, diba? I'm praying you'll come back after everything that's happened between us. I worry that you won't forgive me and allow me another chance. Okay, so meron nga ritong nagkaroon ng atraso sa'yo. Can be a friend, pwedeng romantic partner. And iniisip niya na aware siya dun Alam niya yung naging pagkakamali niya. And hindi niya lang alam kung bibigyan mo pa siya ng chance. Lalo na kapag nag-sorry siya. But I don't know kung you're the type of person na ganun lang kabilis magpatawad. We incarnated together to clear specific patterns from our ancestral bloodlines. So, some of you, pwedeng meron tong karmic connection from someone na you are, kumbaga, kaya kayo pinagtagpo is para meron kayong matutunang lesson sa isa't isa. Ewan ko kung naniniwala kayo dito, no? Kasi minsan, yung lineage, yung family, no, nung mga ninuno natin na may naging atraso sa isa't isa, ang nangyayari na ipapasa, parang generational karma, generational trauma, generational karma. Ang nagbabayad is yung mga bagong generation. I don't know if you believe in that. But I'm seeing iba sa inyo, kung for no reasons, nakita nyo na bakit ganito yung ginawa ng tao na to sa'yo, naging maayos ka naman sa kanya. Pero meron pa rin siyang nagawang pagkakamali or binitray ka niya niloko ka niya. Sometimes, hindi natin alam kung ano yung dahilan nun eh. But, minsan, ganon. No? I don't know if you believe in that. But, that's what I'm seeing for some of you. I care about you even when I act like I don't. I'm hiding my true feelings because I feel vulnerable. I think meron dito nakarealize ng gravity ng ginawa niya. Akala niya siguro hindi masyadong malaki yung impact nun sa relationship ninyo, pero yun nga, malaki yung magiging epekto. So parang iniisip niya, hindi niya talaga totally ma-express yung totoong intentions niya. Kasi whether ano man yung ipakita niya, tainted na yung kanyang credibility. So, ito yung tipong hindi mo na siya paniniwalaan. Ano man yung gawin niya. So, meron talagang karmic connection. I can't fully be there for you as long as this other person is in my life. I know it's hard for you, but I have to go through this experience in order to heal it. So, some of you, ayan na, merong third-party situation. Pwedeng hindi sa inyo ipinaalam na meron pang ibang taong involved sa connection na to. Yung iba sa inyo, nalaman nyo pa sa kaibigan nyo. And that's really a form of betrayal. Pwede ring involved din yung kaibigan nyo rito. Kind of complicated situation. But I think, in the end, you will overcome this. Where is this going? Ayan, you have the Page of Wands. Alam mo, mapagtatagumpayan mo ito. Yes, because the Six of Wands is about victory. You will focus on yourself, your career, your family. Kung sino yung mga taong nagmamahal sa'yo at dinideserve ang iyong love. Doon ka magfo-focus. And you will start a new life. You will free yourself from this situation. Slow down, pause, and allow things to unfold. Yes, meron ka mga bagay na hindi na mamadalain. At pag-iisipan mo kung saan direction yung tatahakin mo. Do something for someone, even for yourself. Okay? Ito rin yung lilibangin mo rin yung sarili mo. You know? Para, minsan kasi, painful talaga. Hindi lang minsan, no? Painful talaga yung betrayal. Sino man yung gumawa niyan sa atin? Family, friends, lover. But we have to move on, no? From that. Love is all around you. There is love everywhere all the time. Simply acknowledge this as truth. Meron mang mga nang betray sa inyo, meron pa rin namang taong nagmamahal sa inyo, ng totoo, nagkikare sa inyo, na nandyan pa sa inyo, sa tabi nyo. So, sila nilang yung pahalagahan mo, bigyan mo ng attention. Okay? Dahil definitely you will move past this experience. So, that is your reading, Virgo. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Virgo. See you again.